Okay, so hi guys and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Soumya and I would be really happy if you'll take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. Okay, so let's get started with the choreo. So the first step is with your hands, so it goes like cross, open, down, then hold. So it's cross, open, down, then hold. Now the leg movement, so it's a dip with your right leg. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, again 1 and then 2. Let's do it with the hands. 1, 2, 3, then hold. Okay, again 1, 2, 3, then hold. Okay, so next step is keep your right hand on left shoulder and likewise, and then swap. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and a small step with your knees. Now for the next step, keep your left leg behind, then restore the position. 1, 2, 3. Left leg behind, then restore the position. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. Now for the body, it will move towards your right and hand will pull it towards left. So it's 1, 2, 3. A very subtle movement with your body. Both of your hands out, then back. 1, 2. Now with your left hand, it's 1, 1. Then with your right hand, it's a semicircle sort of thing. So it's 1, 2. 1, 2. Now together, 1, 2. Okay, top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so 1, 2 and point. Okay. Now मैं 100 मरतबा, so it's a simple step, but when you're doing, look at your hand. Okay, yeah. Now for the next step, it's a jump towards your right. So it's a jump, and while you're jumping, open your hands. Okay. 1, 2. And then tuck tuck with your shoulder, right shoulder, then left shoulder. Now it's मैं 100 मरतबा दीवाना हुआ. So bend a little bit and move around. Okay. Now for the next step, it's tuck tuck and then open. So right shoulder, left shoulder, then open. So 1, 2 and open. Now let's do it from the top. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, back, then tuck, tuck, tuck. Now the lyrics are Mera na hua, so stretch your left hand, then 1, 2, 3. Okay, same with your leg, 1, 2, 3. Together, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Now act like you're pulling something with your right hand. So it's 1, and when you're pulling, make sure you drag your right leg also. Okay. 1, 2, 3 and then pull. Now it's a dipping step. 1, 2, 3, and when you're dipping, move towards your right. Okay. So yeah. And when you're doing, point your right hand also. So 1, 2 and 3. Okay. 1, 2 and 3. Now the next step, you need to jump towards your left. A simple jump. Left. Then cross your hands and shake your right leg. 1, 2. 1 and then 2. Now a simple groove, you can do anything. I've done this. You can do anything. So move towards the back and do any groove. Now again jump, then cross open, cross open, cross open, cross open. Simple step, but do it with a jump. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, back, then jump, then cross open. Now a turn, then freestyle. Then for the main step, with your right hand, it's a semicircle sort of thing. Okay, so a semicircle with right hand. Again, then your left hand is stretched. So 1, yeah. Now for the leg, it's an exaggeration of the step. So not exactly a jump, but yeah, follow the same step that I'm doing in the video. Now next is 1. Now your hands and legs will move together. So it's tuck, 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 tuck. Okay. 1, tuck, tuck. Okay, now for tera hua, you can do anything. Now coming to magic hands.